Hello and welcome to this advanced V equals 24n multiple choice question. It's quite applied because of the way in which the data is presented to us. It's a calculation of volume in moles representing a fatal dose of a toxic gas, hydrogen sulfide, in an enclosed space. So it tells you that hydrogen sulfide has a smell of rotten eggs because it is produced by rotten eggs. It's also produced in abundant quantities by volcanoes. So according to the United States Geological Survey, above 0.01% of hydrogen sulfide gas by volume in air becomes less easy to detect, and at this point it becomes toxic. So exposure to 500 parts per million is enough to cause a fatal buildup of fluid in the lungs, and they want you to use this data to calculate the minimum number of moles of hydrogen sulfide gas inside a room measuring 20 meters times 10 meters times 5 meters, an enclosed space in other words, which would represent a fatal dose. It also tells you that 1 meter cubed equals 1000 decimeter cubed. So, first thing to do is to take the data that we're given. I need to convert 500 parts per million into a percentage. So dividing 500 by 10 to the power of 6, 500 over a million in other words, and multiplying by 100, that gives us 0.05%. So now to work out the minimum number of moles inside our room, we imagine our room and calculate its volume. So multiplying the length times the height times the width gives us 1000 meters cubed, which is obviously 10 to the power of 6 decimeters cubed because of the conversion factor we were given. Finally, you apply the toxic dose percentage value to this volume. So that gives us 500 decimeters cubed. The last part is calculating the number of moles of H2S this represents. So we need to use V equals 24n. So rearranging so that n is the subject, that gives us V over 24. So 500 over 24 gives us 20.83 moles, which is answer C. Okay, I hope this has been a useful look at an applied version of V equals 24n. Thanks for listening. Until next time, see you soon.